Hey guys, what is going on? This is Addison from Id.4 Car Company, and I have a question. Have you ever had this happen? As much as I love dinosaurs, I do not want to get chased by a T-Rex. But guess what? This Volkswagen ID.4 is actually going to fix that for you with its automatic unlocking system. And I'm going to show you how you can access that. So what we'll do is we'll get inside the car real quick. The car will turn on automatically. We go to the infotainment screen. You press vehicle. And you'll see that it has this little display of the vehicle. And you'll go to this icon right here that says vehicle as well. And you swipe 1, 2, and you'll see central locking. Basically what you do is you press central locking, and there is the unlock doors, vehicle side, easy open, confirmation tone. But the thing is that we want is this unlock vehicle when approaching. That is the big goal here. So right now it's already turned on in the vehicle, so we can get out real quick. What we'll do is we'll actually lock the car. You see the mirrors, they'll fold in and the lights go off. And let's go away for a sec. So we'll walk up to the car real quick. Remote, I'm gonna put it in my pocket. And we'll go up to the car. Didn't even touch the handle. I can open it up and boom, super easy. And actually I did this while running once and it really worked. It was so cool. And so right there is how you can have easy open access on your Volkswagen ID.4. And this one especially is the 2021 Volkswagen ID.4 Pro S all-wheel drive edition. So many words, but it is a fantastic vehicle. If you guys want to check it out, we'll put our link to our website down below. Have a good one, y'all.